All right, wheel number 2 on this Porsche. A little nick right there, but the curb rash is right here basically, and that's deeper than the other wheel even. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind that out. It may not be deeper, it's pretty similar actually. I'm gonna use the red conditioning disc here. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will start working on this one and get this one done. We'll get that out with the sander and then sand that down. We're going to go 320 grit. Switch over to the 800 grit now. We'll take the scuff pad to it. See how these brake lines clean up. Might have to use the surface prep spray on the other scuff pad to get those cleaned up a little bit. They came out pretty dark. All right, so we're just going to focus here and here where the factory finish is a little darker than the new finish. And then we will finish it off with clear coat.